How to use Google Chat on your phone. So where is Google Chat? Google Chat is on the Play Store. Here we can click the Play Store and then type in Google Chat. Once you've done that, you can click on the app and press install. It's a very light application with only 14 megabytes. And there you go. That was pretty quick. So let's open the application and allow it to send us notifications. So the first thing that you want to do while entering Google Chat is to log into your email account. So press the top right corner of the screen, and from here you can choose what account you want to use. Let's say, for example, I want to stick to the account that has been already logged in. Once you're here, you can create a new chat. You can do that by pressing the button New Chat, enter the email of the person you want to create a new chat with. So for example, if I want to create a new chat with this person, I can just click on it, and the way that I would start the chat is by just typing a message. Now, as you can see at the top right corner of the screen, there's an option for video chats and voice chats. So if I press this button, it's gonna call, and if I press the other button, it's gonna call but with the camera on. Now there's a third option, and these are the three dots right here. If we press them, we can search in the conversation. So for example, if you have a very long conversation and you're trying to remember something, you can search up a specific word that you think that has been said in that part of the conversation and find the area that you're interested in. If you want to create a group, you'll create a one-on-one chat and then add people to it. So click on this and start a new chat, and now simply just add more people. So for example, this is a group of 3 people. Spaces are similar to groups, but they're more for collaboration and projects and stuff like that. So you can share files and assign tasks and whatnot. And there you go. That's how to use Google Chat on your phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.